How Rome developed into a republic. I am Muhammad Usman from Moonlight International Publication House, and thank you for joining me here. Today I will introduce how Rome developed into a republic. As we know, as a student of history, before the republicanism in Rome, there was monarchy, there was kingship. यानी पहले बादशाह थी. रिपब्लिकनिज्म का, रिपब्लिकन फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट का कोई आइडिया नहीं था. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि ये जो रोम है वो जो है ना बड़े शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम में ही किंगशिप का वहाँ पे खात्मा हुआ और डिवेल्प हो गया, ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया इनटू ए काइंड ऑफ रिपब्लिक के अंदर. बट sources tell us that it took several centuries to transform from monarchy to the republicanism. So let's have a look at the process in a very brief manner, through which we will be able to analyze how it developed into, or the process we will come to know how it developed into a republic. Any republicanism की तरफ कैसे move हुआ. Dear student, the last ruler of the Roman Empire was Tarquin the Proud. He was overthrown, and when he was overthrown, it is considered that after his dethronement, the process of the transformation started in Rome. यानी Tarquin the Proud की dethronement के बाद, उसकी ओवरथ्रो के बाद वहाँ से बिगिनिंग होती है इसमें रोम की ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम मोनार्की टू रिपब्लिकन फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. Moreover, the Rome established a system of republicanism where the people elected their representatives, and these representatives were bound to protect the interest of the people. Before that, there was monarchy, there was selection, there was no election at that time. So afterward, after the dethronement of Tarquin the Proud, the next development that took place in Rome was the introduction of the republican form of government. After shifting towards the republican form of government, there were two bodies which were introduced at that time. One body was known as the Senate, and the second body was known as the Assemblies. These were the two powerful bodies at that time, which had the authority, which had the power, which was given to them by the people of the then time. And the last development towards republican form of government was the introduction of checks and balances. As we know, as a student of history, as a student of political philosophy, that there is a political concept of checks and balances. यानी पॉलिटिक्स के अंदर एक कॉन्सेप्ट है चेक एंड बैलेंस का, जिसमें हम ये चीज़ देखते हैं कोई बंदा अपने इख्तियारात से तजावुज़ ना कर जाए. So this principle was also added in Rome after shifting from monarchy to the republicanism. So it was a process through which we can explain, we can tell anyone that this was the process, and these were the developments, important developments through which we can know how the Rome transformed now monarchy to the republican form of government. So with this, we can conclude this topic, and we hope to see you again with a new topic of history. Thank you.